really excited today. I'm going to take you along. We're going to go and pick up some keys. This is it, guys. Let's get inside. Oh no, this is the one where you can never get inside. It's like dead difficult. Oh, no, struggling. Right then, guys, can't get in today. Take two. We're going home. Going home to regroup. Bring the big guns that can actually open the locks. Let's go.
Sabrina, development 2. Tell the people what you're going to do with this one. As you can see, the house is not in the best state. As you can see up there in the top corner, there's a load of damp, but not an issue. Yeah, everything can be rectified. This is the thing when you get into property development. Yeah, everything you can rectify. A bit of damp there. As you can see, the plastering is not too great. You've got a cupboard here, but you see this cupboard, obviously that will just get ripped out. Ceilings, plastered, new electrics, general things what you do when you're doing a full revamp. Going to have all new central heating, all new doors. Let's see what's going on in this other room. You see that's entry, the stairs, that will all be done. Refurb, new plastered, new banister, whatnot, make it all nice, sort out all this bloody old architect which is so dated, which is unbelievable. Same with these doors, look at the doors, they're so flimsy, it's unbelievable. So it's going to need all new doors, all new flooring. As you see, same again with them, it's going to need all new doors, all new flooring, take out this fireplace, everywhere is going to get plastered, the same as in the other room, as you can see. Sort out this cupboard, obviously you can make that a nice little storage room, put new doors all plastered, sort out all that rot up there up in the corner. What's new windows, that fireplace taken out. Let's have a look what's going on in the other room. Can you two just come out the way a minute, please? Right, as you see, if you go into the kitchen, same again, very old and dated and run down. There's not really a lot you can save or anything within there. So that's all going to get needed to rip out. But maybe you could whip that out and take the kitchen a bit further into the corner there, which might make a bit of sense. Get rid of all that, and then you can get rid of that. So you put a fridge up there. There's a lot you can do. It's a small space, but surprising what you can do in smaller areas. And then when you go for here, that's where the shower room is. So that is very dated, as you can see. So that will fully be getting ripped out. I think we'll probably keep that into just a shower room, because it would have just been a small 1-bedroom flat. Nice investment. And a nice rental, to be fair, for somebody who's looking for a one-bedder. Same, there's your toilet, or depending on what the builder says, if we can knock out this wall here, we might be able to make it into a full bathroom suite. You never know, but that will come once we get the builders in and they can have a look over what things we're doing and where we're going to start with. But yeah, this is the start of investment 2, which is Sabrina's doing. And as you can see there's Sabrina, a big boss, Miss Developer. So yeah, just take you around the tour of project 2.
Day 3 now, I think it is, can continue, and that is me doing this, sprucing up this drawing. So this is the planning drawings. Now I'm going to add a bit more detail, like electrical points, a bit more description on the demolition, construction, the, put any partition walls, things like that. I'm going to add that onto this drawing and build a bit more background to it so that I can walk around with contractors and show them where I want everything. So yeah, that's the next step.
As you can see, Sabrina's taken a photograph, point of reference. So for future reference, she's got, so she knows where all the measurements are. That's why she's taking photos, because it's a bit more in depth when you're doing these projects, so just bear all these things in mind. Sabrina's taking measurements. The reason why she does that, because of the work industry she's in, and basically she's an architect, so all these kind of things help
But when you're doing projects like this, some people, when you're doing a project, what you'll do, you just tend to find you just do it and just carry on as you go along. But when you do things like this and you've got points of references and bits and bobs, it just makes the job go a lot easier and smoother. And this is through Sabrina's experience by doing architect for so many years and having a master in architecture.
So day 6, just on here trying to get a couple of designs done, downloading Twinmotion so I can get some other visuals done, ready for the video on Wednesday. On the build, so the surround, you can see that's gone over there, and then we've got the concrete lintel to go on here where this is getting knocked out. Just have a look at all that, everything's all that's gone off the wall. All the rubbish cleared. Progress so far. This is so much more open now that's gone. There's kitchen cabinets and stuff and storage space to go. And process as well, ground floor flat, all of that is gone. Suspended ceiling, gone. If we go through here, you can see what chimney breast has gone. Gone. The floor is up.